Well, happy 4th of July time. I'm ready to make a special recipe. When I think of 4th of July, I think about 4th of July picnics, and in those olden times, everybody loved bringing in ambrosia salad to the picnic. Well, I found a very fun recipe from this cookbook. It's called a Twinkie Ambrosia salad. Yes, it uses Twinkies. Vintage recipes sure are fun. Let's make it. Grab yourself a bowl. Inside we're gonna put half a cup of milk, a package of instant vanilla jello pudding, and then beat until smooth. Add a half cup of orange juice and blend. Orange juice and pudding, so unusual. You need to let it stand a couple minutes to allow it to thicken. I whipped up half a pint of whipping cream, and I'm going to be folding that in. A can of drained crushed pineapple, and half a cup of shredded coconut also gets folded in. And now comes the Twinkies. I have 6 Twinkies that I'll be tearing up and putting in the salad. Just mix those in. Then it's time to refrigerate until ready to serve. Yankee Doodle Dandy, we've got some Twinkie Ambrosia salad. How does it taste? It's actually quite good. It's very tropical with a little Twinkie thrown in. What's the difference between a duck and George Washington? One has a bill on his face, the other has his face on a bill.